Hi, it's Maddie, and I'm going to be showing you how to make the snowman frame. First step is you want to put your name on the back of the frame. Then you can flip it over and get your paints ready. Make sure you have something covering where you're working or have an area that can get sort of messy. So you will open up your blue paint and get your paintbrush, and we are first going to do a light coat over our frame. If you have enough paint, you can do the insides and then let it dry, and you can touch up the overall painting and you can do the outside. When you're first painting it, make sure you do a light coat so you can cover the whole frame. Then you can go on to the insides and the outsides. And once you're finished with that, you can go over the overall coat. Once you're done, you're going to want to let it dry for about 5 minutes. After it's dry, you're going to get your snowman sticker and peel off the back and place it at the bottom of your frame. Now you're going to get the back of your paintbrush and you are going to dip it in your white paint. And this is going to create snow. So don't do a big blob of paint. You might want to be a little careful with how much paint you put. After you've covered your frame in snowflakes, you are going to get this stick and you're going to place it in the hole in the back, and then it should be able to stand by itself. And then it can dry like this.